Oh, this is awkward. This is very awkward. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now we're actually on our way to go to my house so I can get ready, brush my teeth and all that because I ate. And we're actually gonna, well, I'm actually gonna go ahead and get interviewed for the Flat 6 movie. Produced by James, I don't know how you say his last name, but it's right here. Here's the IMDb. So let me go ahead and take you guys along for the ride and show you guys what it's like. I don't know if I'm actually gonna make it in. I mean, maybe if I put a paper bag on my head or some shit, they'll allow me in, but you know, we'll see. Anyway, so basically I for some reason forgot to plug in the mic during these scenes, so I'm just doing a quick voiceover. As a little background, this is a movie about the Porsche culture and just luxury car culture in the greater Toronto area, hence the name 6 and Flat 6 because 911s have flat engines. So basically I went ahead, got ready. James was interested because I guess unlike majority of Porsche owners, I'm poor, so I guess that makes me stand out a bit. Oh, 25 minutes, that's not bad. See, that should put me right, oh yeah, right before 6 when we're supposed to start at 6.
That's the greatest name in the world. The one in Texas. Tell everybody you're number one.
That's what I always say.
It's amazing.
The Juan and only.
Yeah, I love it. I just came in from Texas.
Oh, okay. Yeehaw, partner, yeehaw.
Yeehaw, baby. I say that all the time. I wanted to actually say yeehaw in one of my lines here, but like apparently I'm supposed to be from Canada, so I can't say yeehaw.
Oh, of course.
Sorry.
How are you? Good. I'm Rosalind. Rosalind?
Rosalind.
What's your name?
Juan.
I thought I said.
So he's like kind of a dual thing. So he owns a Porsche, so I'm going to interview him, but he also shoots videos for Volvo.
Cool.
So he's also getting some like B-roll stuff, behind the scenes stuff too. So.
Which Porsche do you have?
944.
I'm
The poor man's Porsche. That's why I feel like a homeless man. Close enough.
There's no such thing as a...
But he's got a cool color. But how did you? He said Tiffany's blue.
Tiffany.
What's the other one? That is awesome. Did you drive it up here?
No. The thing is, well, I can't count on him for anything. So.
How old is it?
Let me get a.
20 years old.
Oh man, so you gotta make
It's
sure.
almost twice my age, yeah.
Oh yeah, let's check.
Yeah, let's...
Yes. Okay. All right.
Very nice to meet you.
Been a pleasure to meet you. You did great. Really appreciate it.
Thanks. All right. Well, best of luck.
Yeah. Well, I'll be in touch with you.
All right. You have my release form too, right?
I do, and yeah, I'm sure I'll need you in the future because we're gonna do more stuff or whatever. This is the interview, but we'll check out, film your car and like have you at the meets and like other stuff like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome.
All right. Take it easy. I'd like to thank James for allowing me to be in the production of the Flat 6 movie. Hopefully it'll be out on Netflix relatively soon, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I'll see you guys next time.